This week we'll be making some spicy bacon marinara pasta. It's quite similar to amatriciana, but not completely the same, so I didn't want to call it that and feel the wrath of all the Italians. But let's get started on this, shall we? As for all things Italian, we're going to cut up some garlic. I have 7 cloves here, but feel free to adjust based on your preference as usual. This time I also cut them up into slices rather than mincing them. Funny story actually in regards for prep work. I feel like my knife skills has improved a lot compared to when I first began, but there's definitely levels to this. My chef friend Jackie showed me how quick he cut, and then I realized I'm not even close to what he's doing. So definitely keep practicing. Shout out to my mans, by the way, as he's going to start uploading some new photo content soon from the restaurant he's working at, and I hope him the best of luck. Next, we're going to mince up some parsley, and this is going to be a nice color contrast and a nice fresh taste to the pasta as well. After finishing up the veggies, we're going to cut up some thick slabs of bacon into small chunks, or what we call lardons. If you can't find thick cut bacon, feel free to just use the regular size bacon you can find at your local grocery, but this bacon will basically give the pasta a nice smoky flavor. Place all your cut up bacon into a pan or pot that you're going to use to cook this. We're going to start heating up a cold pot or pan to render out the bacon fat quicker. Normally I would cook this all in my Dutch oven, but I wanted to season my new carbon steel pan that my girlfriend got me, and you definitely don't need to do this with another pan, but I just want to let my viewers know that's why I'm using it. Once the bottom starts crisping up a bit and starts releasing some of the fat, feel free to give it a good stir. Eventually the bacon will start cooking in its own fat, which is a good thing. This will help crisp it up and give it a nice contrast in texture for the pasta. Feel free to pull it all in one corner so then it'll help fry in its own fat quicker. Once everything is fried nice and crisp, we're going to spoon the bacon into a separate bowl and use it later. Don't dump the bacon grease as I'm going to cook the rest of it in my Dutch oven, but remember, you can just use one pot, don't go through all these extra steps like I do. Also, don't forget to deglaze the pan, that's mad flavor baby! I just use some water and then I scrape up the fond with a spoon to get all the nice deep little caramelized bits on the bottom. Normally I would do this step after I cook the garlic, but I'll inform you guys when to deglaze when you're cooking with one pan. Okay, so let's say you're cooking the bacon in the vessel of your choice. After you take everything out, then you add the garlic next. Cook the garlic for a bit until it almost browns, then we should deglaze the pan with our 28 ounce of canned tomatoes. Obviously I did extra steps, but that's normally how you make the dish. Since I obviously did extra steps, I added back the deglazed pan for the extra flavor. Add in the Calabrian chili paste for the spicy kick, and also sprinkle in some oregano as well. Give everything a good mix and don't splash it like I did right here, and then bring it up to a simmer before placing a lid on it. While the sauce is simmering, we're going to bring a pot of water to a boil and then salt it heavily. Cook your pasta 1 minute below its al dente mark and remember to reserve some pasta water as well. Once the pasta is finished boiling, we're going to add it into our simmering sauce and stir it around to coat the sauce evenly. I like to crack in some black pepper as well. Also, don't forget to grate in some Parmesan cheese. After the sauce is nice and incorporated, we're going to stir in our bacon, our parsley, and give everything one final mix, and voila, we're done. There you go, another nice pasta you can make. The flavors work together as the acidity of the tomato sauce blends with the smokiness of the bacon. You have the texture difference from the soft pasta with the crispy bacon bits, so all in all, a great pasta to make. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at Weekend Cooks. Thanks for the support. Can't believe I actually reached 100 subscribers.